An important businessman went to see his doctor because he couldn't sleep at night. The doctor examined him carefully and said to him, "Your trouble is that you need to learn to relax. Have you got any hobbies?" The businessman thought for a few moments and then said, "No, doctor, I haven't. I don't have any time for hobbies." "Well," the doctor answered, "that's your main trouble. You see, you don't have time for anything except your work. You must find some hobbies and you must learn to relax with them, or you will be dead in less than 5 years. Why don't you learn to paint pictures?" "All right, doctor," the businessman said, "I'll try that." The next day he telephoned the doctor and said, "That was a very good idea of yours, doctor. Thank you very much. I have already painted 15 pictures since I saw you." Hello, every English lovers and learners. How are you doing? Welcome. This is Story 5, the second lecture. Let's get started. I ask you a question. Please answer all of the questions. Please, before I answer it, you must answer every question. If you want to learn better, you can write the questions. You can increase your writing skills. Very good. Let's get started. An important businessman went to see his doctor because he couldn't sleep at night. Question number 1. Who went to see doctor? Good. Important businessman. The man went to see his doctor. Good. Number 2. Who could not sleep at night? Who? Yes, businessman. The important businessman could not sleep at night. Number 3. Why? Why couldn't he sleep at night? Why? What's the reason? Yes, maybe he had a problem. Maybe he is very busy. Maybe he has a psychological problem. So he couldn't sleep at night. Good. Number 4. What was his job? Was he a teacher? No. Was he a doctor? No. What was his job? Good. Businessman. Not a small businessman, important businessman. Maybe he is very rich. He is very rich. Okay, let's go to another page. The doctor examined him carefully and then said to him, "Your trouble is that you need to learn to relax." Question 1. What did the doctor do? Yes, the doctor examined him. The doctor examined him carefully. The doctor examined him. Good. Number 2. What did the doctor say to him? Good. He said, "Your trouble is you need to learn to relax." Your trouble is that you need to learn to relax. Number 3. How did the doctor examine him? Did the doctor examine him carefully or carelessly? Yes, carefully. Carefully, not carelessly. Carefully. He examined him carefully. Very good. Number 4. What should he learn? What should the businessman learn? Yes, the businessman should learn to relax. The businessman should learn to relax. Great, let's go. Have you got any hobbies? The businessman thought for a few moments and then said, "No, doctor, I haven't." Question number 1. Who didn't have any hobbies? Who didn't have any hobbies? Yes, the businessman. The businessman did not have any hobbies. Number 2. How many moments did he think? How many moments did he think? Good. He thought for a few moments. For a few moments, not more. Good. Number 3. Who said, no, I haven't? Who said? Yes, the businessman said. The businessman said, no, I haven't. Very good. Another page. I don't have any time for hobbies. Well, the doctor answered, that's your main trouble, you see? Good. Number 1. What doesn't he have? What doesn't he have? Yes, time. He doesn't have any time. Good. Number 2. What was his main trouble? What was his main trouble? Yes, his main trouble is he didn't have any time for hobbies. The businessman did not have any time for hobbies. This is problem. If you work a lot, then you get sick. You get psychological issue. Good. Number 3. Why he doesn't have time? Why? The businessman, why he doesn't have time? Yes, because he is very, very busy. He is important businessman, so he doesn't have any time because he's working a lot. Good, let's go. You don't have time for anything except your work. You must find some hobbies and you must learn to relax with them, or you will be dead in less than 5 years. Number 1. Does he have time to relax? No. He doesn't have time to relax. This is the problem. Number 2. Who must find some hobbies? The businessman. Yes, the businessman. He is very busy and he must find some hobby. Good. Number 3. Why must he find some hobbies? Why must he find some hobbies? Yes, because he could not sleep at night. He had problem. He could not sleep at night. Good. Number 4. What will happen if he don't relax? What will happen if he don't relax? Yes, he will be dead. He will be dead in less than 5 years. He will be dead in less than 5 years. Okay, let's go. Why don't you learn to paint pictures? All right, doctor, the businessman said. I will try that. Number 1. What did the doctor suggest? What did the doctor suggest? Good. The doctor suggested him to learn to paint pictures. Painting. Number 2. What did the man say? The businessman. What did he say? Yes, he said, all right, doctor, I will try that. I will try that. Number 3. What did the man try to do? What did he try to do? He tried to learn to paint pictures. He tried to paint pictures. Very good. Let's go to the last page. The next day, he telephoned the doctor and said, "That was a very good idea of yours, doctor. Thank you very much. I have already painted 15 pictures since I saw you." Question number 1. When did he telephone the doctor? When did he telephone the doctor? The next day. Very good. One day after he saw the doctor. For example, today is Thursday, and he will call the doctor, he will telephone the doctor on Friday. It means one day after he saw the doctor. Very good. Number 2. Did he like the idea? Did the businessman like the idea? Yes, of course. He liked the idea very much. Number 3. What did he say to the doctor? Good. He said to the doctor, "Thank you very much, doctor. That's a very good idea of yours." And then he said, "I have already painted 15 pictures since I saw you." Good. Number 4. How many pictures did he paint? Oh, 15. 15 pictures. He painted 15 pictures. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for listening, and please try to listen to this audio and production 2 or 3 times until you can answer all the questions. Bye bye.